welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Victoria, and as you can see by the title or the thumbnail, I will be making some delicious, easy, no-bake recipes. These recipes are super simple, and of course they're keto friendly. If you're new to my channel, I do everything related to keto, so if you're interested in a recipe like that, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video. If you haven't already by this point, go ahead and like the video, subscribe down below, and turn on those post notifications so you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Now let's get right into the video. So as you can see, I put all the ingredients together, then I ended up putting them on the same tray. There's still room for the coconut ones, so go ahead and make more. They are delicious, like I said. So what you're gonna do now is just leave them in the fridge, or you can leave them in the freezer, whichever you prefer. Just one is gonna obviously make them cold faster. So I put mine in the freezer. I'm gonna take it out shortly, and I'll show you guys how they look afterwards. Okay, so that's how it looks, guys. That's the coconut one and peanut butter. It's kind of melting. They melt pretty fast. Okay, so as you guys saw, those recipes were simple, easy to make. I hope you go ahead and give them a try. They are super delicious. They take, you know, such a short time to make because you don't even have to bake them. So go ahead and try those recipes out and let me know down in the comments which one you prefer. They're both good. I would say I'm drawn more to coconut, but I like peanut butter as well. So go ahead and give them a try. Which one do you guys like better? Anyways, I'll see you guys soon with a new video. Bye guys.